Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove powered by Shopify in footer. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this text that is annoying and a lot of people want to like remove it or change it like to powered by their own store name, okay, instead of powered by Shopify. Now I'm going to show you guys this text. As you can see at the very bottom, you can see this message that says here powered by Shopify. Now you can either change it to powered by your name, or you can just remove it all together. Okay, you can just remove this powered by Shopify text at the bottom in the footer. Now you just need to go to your Shopify store. Okay, log in into your Shopify store, and what you guys need to do next, you want to click on online store here in the left, and then you want to click here. After you click guys on online store, then you need to click here on these three little dots next to customize, and then you want to click on edit default theme content. Now in the next page guys, you want to search for that text which is powered by Shopify. You want to search for it. As you can see, it says here powered by Shopify. You can change this to powered by your site name if you want to do that. Of course you can do that. I'm going to try to change it, for example, powered, for example, I'm going to change it to powered by powered by store name, which is my store name currently is test. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to show you guys it's going to be changed. As you can see, now instead of powered by Shopify, we'll see there powered by my store name. As you can see, it's changed. You can also remove it all together. You can just click on remove, and then I'm going to reload the page. And as you can see, we have successfully removed all this powered by Shopify from our Shopify store. Now let's say if you have like any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, okay? And before you go, please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next video.